Hello everybody, my name is Sandy. Today I'm with my good friend and family, my brother-in-law. We're gonna cook today.
Oh, you know what these are, right?
Is that cheese?
No, this is Portuguese.
Really?
I had to mention that.
Oh, okay. Got some onions.
Okay.
I love onions.
There's that garlic there,
Oh, okay.
or the peel one over there somewhere.
All right, thank you.
My pleasure. Is the red onion?
Garlic 149. Here,
Purple one.
garlic.
Yes, garlic, yes. Jalapeno.
I love jalapeno peppers too.
Yeah. Have you? This is purple. Sweet.
So how does it feel being recorded?
Good.
Yeah?
No, which one you like? You're gonna eat with me, so which one?
I like this.
You like this? Let me get this one. Let me get one of this. Where's that one? I'm gonna get this one.
Olive oil?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
This is my house, Cindy, and then this is a house that everybody, all the children come to eat with me, family, friend. If you come over, you have to eat. You must eat. I don't care if it's eggs, you're gonna eat something. So we're gonna do eating with Auntie Cindy today. So Joey's here to help me show you guys how I make some Haitian spice, and then I'm gonna make some black bean sauce, white rice, and chicken Haitian style. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.
Hold on. You forgot something. This is her first time. She's gonna get better, right?
Yes.
She's a smart lady.
Yes.
And what's the name of the channel that you started?
So my channel, basically, the name is Eating with Auntie Cindy. So one of my kids' friends come up with the name because they love to come over to eat, have tea, whatever. So she said I should call it Eating with Auntie Cindy.
One other thing, if you do enjoy the video, the last video I forgot to put on the video about my granddaughter, I'll put below on the description for you to help me buy some diapers for my new granddaughter. So, and your new?
My new niece, grandniece.
So, if you could do that,
Yeah.
we'd be grateful. I forgot to put that on the last video. So,
Thank you.
let's get to it.
Let's get to it now. We have some chicken breasts. Chicken breast. We pick it up together. And then what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna start putting some apple cider vinegar on it because we like Haitian, we like to clean our meat very well. And then I got some lemon
Well, that's
over here.
always good.
Yeah, I got some lemon. This is just to clean it up to make sure the smell of the chicken goes away. We don't, even if it's chicken, we don't need it to taste like raw chicken. So we're gonna squeeze it a little in there. Also use regular vinegar, but that's what I have right now. I'm using the apple cider vinegar.
Do you know any benefits of using apple cider vinegar instead of? Well, it's unpasteurized.
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah. I usually take the skin out, but today we're not gonna do that.
How come?
Because for some reason when I bake my chicken, I leave the skin, but sometimes the skin gives some flavor. If you want to be very healthy, it's good to take the skin out. But I'm gonna leave the skin today. I'm gonna leave it, okay?
Okay.
Just for the flavor. There's something is bad for you, but we're gonna make it a little fatty today, okay?
All right.
So we're gonna clean it up. I think I need it. So now we're gonna wash the chicken, okay? Usually we do hot water. I'm gonna use the hot water from the sink. So I'm gonna wash the chicken.
Now you just do that one time, or do you clean it
Yeah,
and
one
then
time.
do it again? How many
Yes.
times do you do that
I just
process?
do it twice. All right, so now it's time for us to season the chicken. A good Haitian spice that I made earlier. All right, come on up. Okay. So this is my spice, right? That I made earlier. Is all organic. It's really good. If you are making Haitian food, you don't have that kind of spice, it's not Haitian food. So this is what I use.
Explain how you made that sauce.
Okay.
What are the ingredients first off?
Okay, I have garlic in there, parsley. I have
thyme.
Thyme. I have jalapeno peppers, and I have
So essentially all the ingredients that are here.
yes, bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, and a little bit of Maggi cube. Is Maggi. So I have a whole bottle. So I use like a teaspoon or a couple spoon of that, and salt and some salt, and I have some.
All right, so let me just make this easier for the viewer.
Yeah.
So this is salt, and what? No olive oil.
Yeah, I put olive oil in there.
All right, so these right here, all of these right here, those are the ingredients to make that sauce.
That sauce, yes.
And can you explain how many onions, the ratio of onions to tomatoes to lemons?
Okay, this whole bottle was full, by the way. So
okay, so for example, you did this whole bottle, right?
Yeah, yes.
How many onions, how many lemons, how many of each of these ingredients did
So
you put?
I used 3 onions, 3 tomatoes, and then about 4 bell peppers and 2.
And the color doesn't matter.
Yeah, the color doesn't matter, but it's a little bit, it's a little bit yellow because when you put this together, kind of change the color. And I parsley and scallion, and then I put it in the blender. I chop them off small pieces, and I put it in the blender, and then I blend it. It's delicious.
And you do it without cooking any of this?
No, I don't cook them. I just blend them and put them in there as a sauce.
It sounds healthy.
Yeah, and I keep it in the refrigerator whenever I'm cooking. I don't put the lemon on it.
How much olive oil?
Maybe half of the bottle.
That much?
Because you want to make it liquid. Because you don't use it's like you use like
you
a
don't
couple
use water
teaspoon. Yeah.
Okay, and how much of the seasoning?
For all this, like 4 teaspoons. But the lemon juice, I don't put it in there because that season you can also use it in your rice and your beans sauce. So you don't want to you don't make it too citrus. But when I'm making the chicken, I will squeeze the season. I mean the lemon in there.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? To give it that lemon juice taste that I use.
And this is placed to marinate that?
Yes. It's yeah.
And how long do you leave this in the chicken to marinate?
Sometimes I do it overnight, but today we're just gonna put it in there. A lot of time I like to season it overnight and leave it in the fridge. Exactly. So we're gonna just put some in there and let it cook for like 15 minutes, and then by the time you stir fry to make the sauce, all the taste gonna it's gonna come out good.
So I'm gonna be one of the critics.
Yes. It's okay. Yeah, and Samia.
And Samia.
Yes. Yeah.
So you have 3.
So we're gonna use. I'm gonna use like 4 teaspoons of this, okay, guys? All right. And then I have to mix it. I'll remove this here. I'm gonna mix it. So now we need a lemon. I'm gonna cut some lemon.
Of which you could, if you want to, you could put lemon already
You can put
in
it
the sauce.
Exactly.
The sauce that defines whether you're Haitian or not.
Yes.
Even if you were born there.
Yes. So give me 1 second.
So we gotta make a separate video just on this.
Yeah, we're gonna make a separate video just for this, exactly. So. I can also add a little bit more of the Maggi cube because there's a lot of chicken. So, okay. Half a teaspoon, okay? All right. Mix it up. I'm gonna let it boil for 15 minutes, okay? Let's go. All right, we're back in 15 minutes.
All right, so we'll come back after 15 minutes. Deuces. Okay, so we're back.
Yeah, we're back. Something I forgot to mention. I'm making black beans since it takes time to cook. So I just want to show you guys how I make it. But I already have the black beans already, but this is how I made it. This is scallion. I like to add scallion to it. And I had some garlic. What I do, I wash them. I already peel my garlic. I like fresh garlic. Always good to use fresh garlic. There's a difference in the powder. And then what I do, and I wash the scallion as well. All right. And then I'm gonna put them in there. That's the water. My water is already. We're gonna put the water in there. So I boil my water. In the meantime, my water is hot. I like to use it when it's hot. So I use like a half of this. And then we're gonna wash it and add it to the water. That's how I make my beans. And I will tell you the finished part of it in a minute. I'm back right now to show you guys how my beans look like. This is my beans. It's cooked, right? So you just squeeze it. You should be able to do that. So that means it's ready to blend, to be blended. So we can make the sauce right now. I'm gonna turn off the stove. Let me check on my chicken. Voila. Ooh, that looks good. So I can taste it. Once you're a good cook, you really know how to make it. You don't have a problem.
Oh, so you're trying to say that you're a good cook?
Guys, listen, I didn't measure nothing with it. This tastes wonderful. Perfect. Everything is perfect. That's the way I want it to be. But I'm gonna do the bean sauce first. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make the Haitian sauce, pois, which is bean sauce. Haitian sauce pois. Okay?
How do you spell pois? P-O-Y?
P-O-I-S.
Oh, okay, pois, yeah.
Wow, okay? So, alright guys, ready? Let's see how we're gonna do this, okay? I'm gonna blend some of it. Okay, I'm gonna blend it. What I like to do is add some more of my ingredient in there, some more garlic.
So what are you putting there? You're putting the garlic and what else?
And scallion.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now guys, I'm done blending my beans. So I'm just gonna pour it in there. A lot of people don't make it like that, but this is the way we make it. So we're just gonna let it cook. See? Bean sauce. I really like to add onions to it to get the flavor that I wanted from it. So I'm about to do that right now. Perfect. Okay. Just gonna grab a piece. Grab that in there. All right. Okay. Now I need some coconut oil.
Okay.
Like a big of that spoon. But because I left it in the fridge and take it out, it's a little bit hard. So it's hard to get what I want. Okay, one more secret. Clove. That's a secret.
Well, I guess it's not a secret anymore, huh?
Ha! There's nothing wrong with it. It's the flavor is amazing. Oops, that's a lot. All right. Alright guys, we're gonna check on the chicken right now. It's ready. I just want to show you guys how it looks. It's cooked, it's fully cooked. So we're gonna save our chicken broth for later because that's what we're gonna use to make the sauce. It's very juicy. We don't need to add anything else because it's tasty already. So we're gonna move it away.
So now you just put some ragu sauce.
Alright. I need it pretty hot so I can color my chicken. Oh, I made rice for you? You must be special. I want to be you when I grow up, Samia. Alright.
And now how long does you let it stay?
We can do that for like 5 minutes.
And then we're done?
Maybe 10. Add the water. Chicken broth. Chicken broth. We're gonna add the chicken broth to it, okay? We're gonna add bell peppers and onions, and then we'll be ready to go. So 5 minutes. Thank you.
That must be my cologne then.
No, I think it's that nice bell pepper and onions and that Haitian spice she was preparing. I think that's what it is.
Okay, let's do this.
Well, you get to go first, Joey, because
Okay.
you haven't really tasted Haitian food like I have.
Oh, I would not say that. So, Joey.
I'm in heaven.
Now tell the truth now. Me,
It is the
No, it's
truth.
good.
I'm a direct critic.
No, it's good.
I know that's my wife. That's my beautiful wife. But, you know, if I don't like the food, I will tell her. You know, I like the smell of
1 out of 10.
great kitchen here. I like the smell already, but I'm going to try.
1
No.
through 10.
Sammy,
Hey,
are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
First, I'm going to try the rice. I haven't tasted it yet. Let me try one more time.
you know you always like rice. I made it with love.
Man, Joey was right. This is good. This is good Haitian diri sauce pois, sauce poule. This is really, really good. I enjoy it.
What is good about
Thank
my
you.
rice?
The taste.
It's because I made it with love.
The taste.
What about Joey?
I can taste the spice.
Where can I buy love? At the grocery store, because I want to redo the dish.
Oh no, they don't sell it. You just have to have love in you. Yeah.
This
Damn,
is good.
She went deep, I was joking.
You do have love on you, though, Joey. I know you can make it.
Now, Samia, you're not gonna watch me eat the whole meal. You know, because I don't want everybody to know that I'm a big eater. Even though I eat a lot, I don't want everybody to know. So you can film Uncle Joey and your mom. But me,
He was not joking about eating a lot, Joey. It's just.
oh babe, come on, you don't
I'm
have
just
to
kidding.
put that.
I thank you for trying my food.
This would be better even if had been marinated overnight. It would even be better.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
what can you tell? Because that's why I stir fry it. When you stir fry it,
Mm-hmm.
it's kind of like.
Well,
So-
thank you.
I have a question.
You're
though.
welcome.
Rate this 1 out of 10.
I'm sorry?
Rate this 1 out of 10.
9.
I'll take 9.
1 out of 10.
11.
Okay.
Hey, I'm Haitian here, so this is my stuff.
Do you
Is
have
it good?
anything to say, Mom? Say, Mom?
I just want to say thank you for trying my food and thank you for
Watching the video.
watching the video. Please follow me on YouTube, Auntie Sandy on YouTube. The next video will be next week. Thank you very much.